Hello and welcome to 224 Murray Vista Circle in Lexington, South Carolina. This is a beautiful all brick house located in Murray Vista, which is a lovely lake neighborhood. And if you look out, you can see Lake Murray just beyond that house. So the house itself is not on the water, but it is very close. You've got a 2-car garage. Front yard landscaping is included with the HOA. A lot of pretty bushes, trees. Just a real nice community. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, welcome inside, and as soon as you come in, you'll see we've got lovely hardwood floors, nice updated light fixtures, plantation blinds. This is the dining room here. It's just to the right of the front door. So nice formal dining room. There's the stairs that takes you up to, there's 2 more bedrooms and a bonus room up there. So there's our living room, but let's go ahead and check out the kitchen first. So a nice kitchen, under cabinet lighting. We've got granite countertops, smooth top stove, built-in microwave. We've got an eat-in kitchen area. And there's a spot there for the refrigerator. At the time of making this video, the refrigerator was not set. The owner indicated to us they would be willing to put one in there once the home is rented. So you see you've got this huge picture window right here next to the eat-in kitchen, and the hardwoods continue on in here in the living room. So might as well go ahead and take a look around the living room. We've got some really nice built-ins here. Built-in cabinets. We've got our fireplace. And then let's take a look. It's got a sunroom on the back. An enclosed porch might be a better way to put it, but it is enclosed. There is no heating or air out here, so it's not climate controlled. But you can open up these doors and you've got a nice big ceiling fan and plenty of light coming in. Got a couple of decks out here. Let's just take a peek. It's more of a courtyard, backyard. It's not a really big, deep backyard, but it's a very nice private yard. They do have brick walls all the way around it. So this deck here is right off the master bedroom. So that sliding glass door takes you to the master bedroom. So we got a little storage building there. Really pretty flowers. Nice decorations out here. And you can see where the wall is there. Some large trees. I don't know if those are Japanese maples, but they're real pretty. And then here's the back, or the outside of that room. So you've got a little extra deck space here, but just really nice, really cute spot out back. If you don't want a lot of yard to maintain, this is a nice one. So you would have to maintain your backyard, just not the front. And the backyard is pretty small, so it wouldn't be a lot to have to take care of. So back inside the house, we're going through the living room now. The master bedroom is located on the first floor. And here is the master. So there's that sliding glass door onto the deck. It's kind of hard to tell in these or in this video, but it's a light gray color, and you can see that on the pictures much better than the video. We've got a ceiling fan. The door to the garage down the hall. Here's the master bathroom. Nice tile floors, double sinks. Got some nice light fixtures there. And then we have a really good sized garden tub. This is larger than a lot of garden tubs that I normally see. We've got a stand-up shower here. Real pretty stained glass window to bring in a little extra light, but give you some privacy. Master closet. Took the hardwoods in here, which is nice. So nice big closet there. Okay, we're gonna go down the hall because we do have a half bath here. So here's your guest bathroom. Single pedestal sink. Washer and dryer room here. And then we do have, this is the door to the 2-car garage. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. So as I mentioned, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So our master was on the main. This is a secondary bedroom upstairs. It's really cool because they've got a skylight in this bedroom to get you a little bit of extra light. You do have a dormer over here, which is really neat. They've got some padding and a little spot to sit, and look out the window. Kind of neat. All right, so back into the bedroom here, you got your closet there and light fixture. So it's pretty big, actually. This is a little bit bigger than your average bedroom. The door to the right is access to the attic. To the left, we have a full bath with a single vanity, tub, and shower. And then a third bedroom. It's a little smaller than the one we were just in. Similar configuration, just a little bit smaller. Bifold door closet. And we also have a bonus room. So that is located down the hall. There is no door into the bonus room. It's just an open room. But it'd be a nice room to have, a TV or, has a game room or an office or something. Also, there's another skylight here to bring in a little bit more natural light. And there are some built-in shelves over there. So this is 224 Murray Vista Circle. It is a lakefront community. Now, you do not have your own dock here, but check with the HOA. We have been informed by the owners that there is a guest dock that you can use, or a place where you can drop a boat in, I should say, if you're big into boating. And so there you go. Please visit our website for any more information on this property or how to apply. It is turnerproperties.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great